Hey guys, Milwaukee Tool has come out with a new Packout box. It's called the Compact Toolbox. We're going to do some testing on that and also show you what's inside. We have two of them stacked up on top of our Packout system now. Here's a little testing. It sounded a little loud, I would assume. We'll hit it again. And if you're wondering why it's so loud, it's because we have 40-pound John Deere weight inside of that box. This box is IP65 rated. Milwaukee calls it the most durable box that they have out on the market with the most versatility, and that is definitely true. We use this for a lot of different things, but mostly for a lot of our audio equipment. We have some large speakers, so it's kind of DJ equipment, but we don't use it for that, and it fits great in here. Now this box, I'll come in, did take some damage. There's no doubt here that we split the case, or at least cracked a little bit. And that's where that weight was sitting. And there's no doubt that that's gonna happen to a lot of people on the job site. They may not have that kind of weight sitting in that particular spot. But with that said, that box took it very well. We've seen a lot of other boxes that would have just cracked to pieces. And as you'll notice, it clicked right back into place. Let's come in, take a look at what's inside these boxes. With two of the new Packout boxes stacked together, the only downside you have is getting to the handle, the one on the right. So you have to put your finger behind and lift up. Not a big deal, you can get it from the center. It's just not as easy as the one on the other side. Now, inside here, the IP65 rating comes from this seal that goes around, that connects to this ridge here. When you get them new, they will look exactly like this. You have a tray on top, and then inside comes a bunch of different dividers. You can use it as a standard bin, or those dividers can go in place. This is what it looks like with the dividers in place. Now we placed that weight inside here, and this is what happened to one of the dividers after dropping it. And that's because this slot here was what this weight was hanging on. So when we were dropping it, it was actually pounding everything on the ground. And that is why we have some stress somewhat in this area and in the back where that weight was actually hitting. I'm absolutely surprised that there's not more damage from dropping that. So if you had tools in here, you would have half the weight and you wouldn't have it all packed out on one side. And when you put these up, you can see there is a longer line over here than there is where my pinky's at. That longer side goes into the centerpiece, pushes in, and you line up the other side, push down. It's simple, it's easier without a camera in your hand. These things work excellent, and they'll come in, come out. You can change up whatever you want, change your dividers, make this fit whatever you need to. We do a lot of talking about organizing, and we also talk about large drawers on the bottom of toolboxes. Unfortunately, these end up very similar. This is all of our equipment for our speakers, all the cables, half of the extension cords. It all gets piled into the bottom case. And I think that's where these smaller compact toolboxes are going to help us out, because we can throw all of our cables inside there and separate things out into types of cables in different situations. If you're not familiar with the Milwaukee Packout system, they also have a radio, and then they have this open bin, which we keep all of our LED lights in that are color changing for different events. This stuff stacks together easy, it helps you organize, helps you move around, and to tell you how durable it is, the rolling cart on the bottom has been back and forth to Las Vegas with all of our camera equipment in it 7 times. You know how gentle that all the airport people are with different luggage that you check. That's made it, you can't even tell. It's beautiful stuff. It's awesome. If you use it, let me know in the comments. If you don't, let me know why you don't. I have a couple reasons of things that I can't fit in here that are just so close. They're not tools though. They're microphone cases or mixer boards. If I could get something that was just a little bit deeper, I'd be able to slide it in. Maybe that's coming in the future, but they keep expanding this, which I think is awesome. I don't know, guys. What do you think about it? Let me know. We use it all the time. Could use a few different more modules. I'll list some of that stuff out in the description. As always, if you can, give us a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.